Hello and a very warm welcome to you. Welcome to the Kajoku group. My name is Kajoku. I'm a property investor and I've been investing in property over 25 years. So what we have for you is 4 service offerings. The first one is property training and education. So if you want to learn a bit more about property, how to get into property investing, then that will be option 1. Option 2 is property sourcing. So if, for example, you are already a landlord and you're looking for properties, or you are looking for properties to invest in, then that will be option 2, the property sourcing service that we offer. Option 3 is property investing from an armchair viewpoint. This is where you put your money to work and you're not actually involved in a property, but you're investing in property as a silent partner. And service offering number 4 is property letting. Now we let property on a guaranteed rent. So if you want guaranteed rent for your property, then that would be option 4. So to get started, all you have to do is click on the Get Started button somewhere around this page, click on it, choose an appointment in my calendar, and then we can have a very quick chat. Myself or my team can get back to you, have a good chat, let you know what it's all about, find out what your requirements are, find out what your goals and objectives are, and get you along your way. So remember, click on the Let's Get Started button, and we look forward to meeting and having a chat with you. Take care, have a fantastic day. God bless you. Bye-bye.